Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. I've got a bit in the watch list today. It's nice to see that Bitcoin has closed with a nice big bullish candle yesterday, 3.42%, and the day previous was 3.91%. So two very strong bullish candles over the past 2 days, which is really good to see. We did close above this level of 20,000. It's around the $20,500 mark, which is another good sign. So what I'm hoping for is, a pullback to that level before it push higher, if it does happen. But just be wary that it could also be something like this, where we've broken out of a level, closed above it, and then just bang, the bears just push it straight back down, back into this range. So yeah, a little bit hesitant to take any long trades on Bitcoin. What I would like to see is a pullback on the 4 hour back to this level with a nice juicy bullish candle off that level. We'll see what today brings. Hopefully we get something like that. Bitcoin Cash, let's have a look at this. Daily time frame, we've got a higher low and a new higher high, so we are in an uptrend. We can have a look at the 4. I think it's the 8 that looks a little bit better. So the 8 hour has a really nice trend. We've got a higher high and a higher low. We've broken out of this level. So a pullback, it's probably a little bit too deep if we do get to that level, but if we do and get a nice bullish candle, I'd be all over that. Next one is Flow. Now Flow, I don't think has great liquidity, so if you are trading a big account, just be wary of this. But yeah, nice pullback on the 2 hour. Got a trend here, nice pullback to the 2 hour time frame. If we get a nice small bullish candle in there, I will definitely want to know about it. Now Jasmine is one on the daily time frame, did pull back into the cradle zone, and really nice little bearish candle there in the cradle. If you are that way inclined to trade short, that candle is there and ready to go. KLUNC is a new one listed on FTX. Doesn't have too much data, but we do have a 2 hour trend here, 2 hour bullish candle there. I'm just going to wait and see how this one pulls out. I'm not too excited about these wicks through here. LDO, let's have a look at the daily. So broken out of this level here on the daily, pushed higher, did close above. It's looking really bullish. I think it was the 2 hour. So we've got a nice 4 hour trend here. So higher high and a higher low. We've pushed higher, a nice pullback back into that cradle zone with a bullish candle. Again, I'll definitely want to know about it. Now Matic is looking really good. We did get a nice pullback. It's probably not the 2 hour time frame that we're after. The 4 hours looking pretty good. A deeper pullback would have been nice. We could still potentially get that, so it'll stay in the list for that reason. Metal is one on the 4 hour that we need a nice pullback into that cradle zone. So again, it might just be a day of waiting for pullbacks. We did have a nice move yesterday, so we just need that healthy pullback into the cradle zone before we'll be looking for trades. OP perp was on the lower time frames. Let's have a look at this level. So this is a level, a daily level, where we've had a few tests. We've broken through, so a nice pullback onto that level would be great. If we don't get it back onto that level, a bullish candle in that cradle will be nice. Proof perp, oh, that's a huge wiki candle. I think I can take that one out. That's ruined the trend for me. And ALCX or Alchemix was looking really good for breakout this morning. Let's have a look lower. Anyone that did take that, you would have hit your 1-to-1. It looks like it has wicked a little bit too high for a pullback, so I can probably take that one out as well. I was hoping for, catching this breakout. It did catch this breakout, got the 1-to-1, got 2-to-1, and took profits. I was hoping to keep it in the list for a pullback off that level. It doesn't look like we'll get that. That wick has sort of ruined the trend, so we can take that out. But yeah, a small list to keep an eye on today. It's the 2 hour, the 4 hour time frames that we're keeping an eye on, but the other one was Jasmine on the daily for a short. So it's a daily time frame, so we've got a while to raise orders if we do decide to do that. Let's just see how it plays out. But yeah, if you have any questions and you are in the community, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to help, and so will Greg. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next week.